How to use Citrus Scrub and Shine Spray Buff method. Dilute 2 to 4 ounces per quart. Spray fine mist on a manageable area of the floor. Let stand for 5 minutes until slightly damp but not completely dry. Burnish the floor with a high-speed machine and appropriate pad. The gloss meter reading before using Citrus Scrub and Shine is 25. Dilute 2 to 4 ounces per quart and spray on the surface. Let stand for 5 minutes. Burnish the surface. The gloss meter reading after using Citrus is 89. That's a 74% increase in gloss. For more information, contact Essential Industries.